Hello everyone, welcome to Luckproof YouTube channel. In today's video, I will give you information about Pi Network. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel to get more updates. So let's start the video. Pi Network is a cryptocurrency and blockchain platform designed to make cryptocurrency mining and usage accessible to everyday users. Pi Network is a digital currency project launched on March 14, 2019 by a team of Stanford graduates. It aims to make cryptocurrency mining easy, accessible, and eco-friendly by using a mobile-based application for mining. Founders Dr. Nicholas Kokalas, Dr. Cheng Jai-Fan, and others. How to use Pi Network. First, open your mobile app store. Write Pi Network in the search. I have already installed. You will also install. When you install it, you will open the Pi Network. Now, how can we create an account? You can create an account in one of two ways. First, continue with Facebook. To continue with phone number. I want to create an account through continue with phone number. Select your country in the first part and write your phone number in the second part. When you are done writing, click submit. Write your email in this section. Click next. Write your password in this section. When you have written the password, click on submit. In the first part, write your name. In the second part, write your last name. And in the second part, write your username. Click submit. Here you will write invitation code. If you have no invitation code, you click on no one invited me. Click submit. Click get started. These are the rules for using the Pi Network. Click dismiss. You can chat with your friends here. You can invite your friend. After 24 hours, he started mining at this place. This was my video today. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.